how to fix the auto return on a Technics SLB2 and SLB3 using my own modded part. Links in the description. Whatever the make or model of your turntable is, if the auto return isn't working, this is usually the problem. That item there, the white plastic cogwheel, the one around the centre spindle, if you look, it's cracked. Unscrew that, there should be no need to take it all the way out. Take care not to lose a tiny ball bearing. Sometimes it's stuck to the bottom of the spindle, other times it's in the bottom of the sleeve for the bearing. When you put the spindle back in, you're going to feel some resistance. At this stage it's very important not to move the tone arm or to press the auto return button. Reason for this is that the spindle needs to settle into position, otherwise the gear that engages the larger cog will be in the wrong position and it can stick or even cause damage. The best way to deal with this when the spindle is put back into place is to put the platter back on and spin it rapidly. In a relatively short time it will settle down to the farthest bottom point. After this it's safe to use and test the return mechanism. You can see in the side-by-side images that my custom-made replacement is much more robust than the original, and it's significantly more robust than other replacements on the market. You can also see, looking at the white original, the clear reason for the failure is the crack, and this usually happens because over time the plastic materials shrink onto the hard metal spindle and this causes them to crack. You can find links to the replacement gear in the description below.